Let's go. We live. Live than a beehive. Can I move this here? Yes. And this. And this. Okay. Where's the chat? Oh shit, I need to open up TikTok chat on my phone. Do you remember 25th September? Okay. I think we're good. Why? Actually, the quality is actually terrible. Why is that the case? Wow, this is really bad. 1440p. That's no good. That's much better. Adnan Hussein with the like on Facebook. I wish I could get Facebook chat. But I think it's like one of the only things that this restream chat can't show is the Facebook chat. This isn't even my account. I wonder if I could log into that account. It'd be really good to go live on my fan page, but yeah, it doesn't seem like I can. Damn it. Nerd ass dweeb non-binary flag. Thanks Adnan for the comment. I'll reply. Thanks Adnan for the engagement. Should we send him a binary flag too? Non-binary. Trans is beautiful, Adnan. Did it send? There we go. Let's go. Sick. Alright, sorry for everyone else who might post on Facebook, but there's a pretty strong chance that I won't be checking it after right now. But I'm on YouTube and Twitch, so... Oh, what? All my Facebook things came through. It normally doesn't, that's weird. Okay, maybe it will come through. Anyway, YouTube and Twitch, it will definitely come through. Okay, so, yo, Paris Hilton, welcome. Last time on the stream, we got the code running part of this project running on DigitalOcean, which worked out actually quite well. It didn't really run into any problems. But now I want to see if I can make a Docker file for that same instance so that we don't have to manually set up every VM. And in the future, if we make this as a software as a service, we can automate every user to have their own kind of VM or container or whatever you call it in Docker. So we're going to give that a go. I Googled for some tutorials. Was this a good one? A node image? Node server on GitHub as Docker container. Which one would be good? GitHub Action. Hold on, I'm gonna turn up my AC a bit. I'm getting a bit hot. Maybe I should put it off quiet. that gets too loud, someone let me know. We'll figure it out. But at the moment, the heat is a bit uncomfortable. Okay. How's a good way to do this? So, I don't know. This is like official Docker docs. And they're like Node 18, Docker running locally, IDE to edit the files. So they've created the file. Okay, so we've already got a file. Create. I'm gonna actually, here's what I'll do first is I'm gonna create a repository that just has the code runner. I'm just gonna call it code runner. We'll make it public so anyone can do what they want to it. I'll clone this. Where am I? Clone this in here and we'll copy over the files. From here. Easy. I think we'll need a git ignore just to ignore node modules. I wonder if I can just commit this. Probably don't need the hello world pies. Wonder if I can remove all of them. Will that work? It did work. Maybe the username and password. What? I tried to clone it with SSH. Adnan says, damn bro, you kinda smart, homie. How can I, as a black man, break into AI given the racial barriers in the industry? AI, you telling me Allen Iverson did this? Man, Adnan out here with the comedy. No. I don't think there's too many racial barriers in the industry specifically. You could probably, I don't know, depends how you want to do it. Maybe in like employment, but if you want to make an AI product, no one needs to know what you look like. Yo, thanks for the gift, Paris Hilton. Appreciate you. Oh shit, she's spamming the roses though. Damn, Paris. I know you was popping like that. Okay, 65 roses. Thanks so much, Paris. That's a lot. That's a lot of roses. That's a lot of roses. Yo, why is it asking me for my username and password, man? What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck? Oh, that's why. I'm cloning the wrong thing. Can I do this? Can I change it? Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna have to reclone it. Paris Roses? Dude, there's no bitches? Yo, Adnan, you gotta get on TikTok. She? Sorry, he. Man, it's on, like, your picture is a girl, Paris. Come on. You're misleading the man then. I don't know if you can see this, Adnan, but there you go. Get on TikTok. My apologies for misgendering you, Paris. You also gotta know me referring to you as Paris is like, it's also adding to my confusion. Because, you know, in my brain, Paris, I have a distinct image of who the person Paris looks like. But I guess your Paris Hilton's drug dealer, which is different. So I know. Sorry, my mistake. My mistake. Okay. Okay, I gotta put this back in here. Oh, what? Accidentally deleted all the code in the other one. Let me just reset it. Okay, we back. Hey yo, that was the same folder. Ah shit. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll just copy these into here. Right? That's all we need. We don't even need this one. Okay. And now I can add them. Huh. Oh, let's add a git ignore as well. Oh, I didn't add that one. Okay. Okay, we good. Okay, we good. Okay. Alright, and now I have a repo with the code runner. And it's public if anyone wants it, aj47/code runner. Very simple application. Now, what I want to do is try to get this in a Docker container that I can just easily host to DigitalOcean. By hopefully following this tutorial. So, nice. I can make it big like this. That should make it easier to read on your devices. So, correct. Create a Docker file for Node. Next, we want to create a Docker file for Node. We can set all this. They're doing it line by line. Oh no, here we go. Here's the complete Docker file. What do we call it? I've never made a Docker file before, so I'm a bit clueless as to what we should call the file. Let me quickly skim through like their get started or something. Get started. Containerize an app. Get the app. Oh, they just call it Docker file. Doesn't even need an extension. Okay. That's fine with me. That's fine with me. Wait, where were we? Here. Okay, so this is the completed Docker file they have. They're using Node 18 Alpine, right? Is that what that means? That means the version of Node they're using. They explained it here. We use the official NodeJS image that already has all the tools and packages needed to run a Node app. Oh. Oh, so they're like basing it off an image that they already have? Interesting. Okay. Node 18 Alpine. What version of Node am I running? 20. I'm sure it'll work fine with 18. Let's just run that. Docker file. Okay, what else have they said? They're using the production version of the Node environment. That just will make it faster. They have a working directory app. Copy package.json, run npm install, then run node server.js. That's pretty much exactly what I want. The only issue is it doesn't specifically say anything about cloning the Git. Leo says, not at work today. This is my work, kind of. I mean, I'm not getting paid for it, but yet. But I'm focusing a lot of my work energy building this software engineer AI, which hopefully in the future will do a lot of my work for me. That is the goal. It's like teaching a student. Thanks for the comment, Leo. Create a Docker ignore file. To use a file in a build context, Docker refers to, and a Docker ignore lets you specify files to exclude from the build context. Okay, so we'll just make a Docker ignore and add node modules to it. Now that we've created our Docker file, let's build our image. To do this, we'll use Docker build, and that builds an image and a context. The context is a set of files located in the specified path. To build command can take a tag flag to tag the thing. Okay, they did tag it. Alright, let's do it. This will be the first time I've built a Docker image by myself, and it doesn't work. It needs one thing. I think we just need a dot to just be like, build it here. Deprecated. The legacy builder is deprecated and will be removed. Install the buildX component to build images with BuildKit. Cannot connect to the Docker daemon. Do I have to run Docker? How do I do that? Docker? Nope. No. Docker run? Docker build. Let's Google this. D has asked, what function is the employee capable of? Currently nothing, realistically, but I'll show you the test I ran yesterday. Oh, I've refreshed it, damn it. But like in the future, I hope, I'm kind of, okay, I'm like 65 to 80% confident that it will be able to do basic things from a text prompt, such as like build and run a server that can, I don't know, like give data from a SQL database kind of thing, like, you know, just basic CRUD stuff. Or, and then in the future, I feel like it could be as good as like a junior developer or medium. I don't know. There's a lot of things to find out, but yeah, like Leo says, how come I can't double click and like your stream? I don't know, that's weird. Oh, it says you just liked it. I can do it. Check it out. Like. Ignore above, it's working now. Sweet, thanks Leo. Appreciate you for liking the stream. Yo, Sumi, thanks for the like. AI Hustle Hero, thanks for the like. Appreciate it, guys. Hope you're enjoying the content. Let's get this Docker daemon running. How do I do that? I don't know. Do I need the... I'm trying to like avoid having to use the GUI. Might be a bad idea. Let's see. Run Docker daemon. Start the daemon. Sudo systemctl start docker. Alright, let's just try that. Systemctl not found. Is that not a Mac thing? Start it manually. Docker D. It's fine. Docker D. Docker D not found. Mac. Brew install Docker VirtualBox. Brew install Docker machine. What? It's much more complicated on a Mac, it seems. Damn, dude. What? When was this written? 2019. That's probably relevant. An alternative solution is to use another runtime called Kalima. That looks way easier. Should we do that? What is Kalima? Kalima is a container runtime on Mac with minimal setup. Okay, sounds great. Brew install Kalima. Check out second.dev, says D. Alright, let's go. Are they building what I'm trying to build? AI developer agents for web apps. Yeah, wow. Oh, awesome. Thanks so much, D, for bringing this to my attention. Let's check this out. They're on Y Combinator #1 on Hacker News. Built for technical people who want to move fast. Wow, this is kind of what I want to do also. Build the AI, own the code, powered by AI, full stack features, GitHub pull requests, secure modern frameworks. Let's watch their video. I don't know if you guys have sound. We'll see. No sound. Okay. Oh, you don't really need it. It's just music. Alright, let's see. Quick start. Connect to GitHub. You authorize the bot to access your GitHub, and then you link a directory. Then what? Why do they show the loading in their video? Just to show how fast it is. And then what? Then they make it GitHub? And then they have modules? Okay, it's gonna create. Oh, they create a pull request for the GitHub to add a database? That's pretty cool. Can't see your screen. Oh shit, guys, I'm sorry. What the fuck? Oh, I must have. Holy shit. Okay, my bad. I must have clicked the wrong scene. Okay, let's I'll play it again. So they just when you log in, you authorize GitHub, you log in with GitHub, so now this second dev has access to your GitHub. You create a new project, which I think will create a new GitHub repo for you, and then you get to this add features screen, which, look, they have so many different modules you can add: auth, database, ChatGPT, API, dashboard, etc., etc. So they added a database, Postgres database, and they show the loading, which is annoying. And yeah, so the button is create pull request. So now if they go into their GitHub, they might see a pull request from the bot that has all the code changes needed to add that Postgres database, right? That's pretty cool. That's very cool. And then let's see what else they show off. Authentication. They can do next auth. It's pretty cool stuff. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but definitely in the same landscape. What's their pricing like? $300 per user per month for a pro. And you get the pro modules, which is where all the cool stuff is. It's quite expensive, but I guess they're just still early, finding out their good price point. Second is a developer platform that deploys agents. Meet our team. It's just one dude left aligned. Eric Rowell. Give him a follow. Okay. Alright, so how would Colima go? Okay, we've installed that. Now we can go Colima start. And terminal is not available. Proceeding without opening editor. Attempting to download the image. Okay. 200 megabytes. What I'm unsure about is like this Docker file is running on my Mac machine, but is it gonna behave differently if I run the container on a Linux machine? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Sign up and post in Discord if you have feedback. Oh, D, you one of the workers for second dev? Honestly, I can't see myself. What were the non-pro features? I can't see myself wanting to use those at the moment, but I'll keep it in mind. Okay, done. And now I can just go docker PSA to see all the containers running, which is currently none, which is fine because we haven't run any yet until this. Oh, it's doing it. Okay, we're running that Docker build from the file we made earlier. Let's go. Successfully built. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial. Where were we? Build, view local images, Docker images. Okay, so we have 2 images. Oh, so the node Alpine one is the base image, and I guess the other one is the one we just made. Okay. We can tag an image. Theirs had the tag latest. Ours doesn't even have a tag. That's fine. I don't really care. Run your image as a container here. To run an image inside of a container, we use docker run. Requires 1 parameter, and that's the image name. Funnily enough, our image doesn't have a name. It has an ID. Will that work? Docker run ID. Oh, it's totally running. It's running the server on my local host, maybe? Let's see. No. Okay, so it's the network connectivity is still lacking, but I think they go into that. Our curl command failed because, yeah. To publish a port for the container, we use the publish flag, P for short. Inside the container to port 3 on the outside. So we'll just do, oh shit, hold on. Oh, I can't quit this? Hello? Hello? How do you stop it? How do you stop it? How do you stop a container? Docker stop? Docker stop. Okay. Docker. I think I have to do it in your file. Docker stop. Oh man. Docker stop. No such container. It's definitely there. I think I need to use the container ID. There we go. That looks like it's stopping it. Hopefully. Right. Yep. Did I close that? I must have. Okay, let's publish the I don't know if this published stuff, does that carry on to the file or no? Docker run p. Okay. Let's see if that is running now on my local machine. Yep, sweet. Okay, so we have a Docker thing. We have a Docker thing. What's detached mode? So all to run in the background. Oh, that's probably what I should have done. And it's fine. Actually, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. I'm gonna just be right back. Go to the toilet real quickly, but when I come back, we will try run this on DigitalOcean. 2 seconds. Yo, I'm back. Is this still live? Let's see. Yes. Thanks for everyone for sticking around. Let me see if I can do some things with this camera. Oh, wait, what are the filters? Color. No, I don't have filters. Properties. Oh, here we go. Okay. Yo. I figured I'd use this view. Pacific Dome. Yo, what's up? Thanks for joining. I'm gonna use this view to just explain what I'm doing and where we're up to. So the overall, dude, that light is annoying. Pacific Dome has asked, so what tech stack do you need to start a career in software engineering? In my opinion, like that question is very common. Like, what language, what tech stack should I learn? I don't think you should focus too much on that, because there's a tool for every job, and a lot of these tools can be used for multiple jobs. So it's not too important. I think the better question is like, what do you want to make? What type of projects do you want to make? And then you can work from that. Like, you can Google, how do I make, I don't know, a server that can check the weather in my city, I don't know. And then you Google that and you find like what tech stack is needed for that. Like, you work backwards from the project. I think that's a better way to look at things. In the end, like, my personal choice is like the JavaScript stack because it's quite popular. You'll find a lot of tutorials, a lot of libraries, a lot of packages built on top of JavaScript. And these days you can kind of do everything on JavaScript, like apps, websites, servers, games, you name it. So that's just my opinion. Yeah, so I'll give a bit of context into what I'm going to be doing. So if you guys have been watching this channel for a while, you'll know that I started working on this autonomous AI agent that can, you give it a goal of like some software task, like build me an application that does XYZ, and it will continuously run commands, write code, and run code until it achieves your goal. That's the aim. We've made some progress by extending Agent GPT and building my own code runner thing that was running on my computer. And then last stream yesterday, I took that code runner code and put it on a server, on a VM on DigitalOcean, but it was a bit manual to set it up. So now, today, what I did was try Docker for the first time. Well, try build my own Docker image for the first time that can do all the setup stuff automatically, and I can just deploy a Docker image to DigitalOcean. Hopefully. That's what we're up to today. We've made the Docker image, but now we need to deploy it to DigitalOcean. So let's go. Let's go. Pacific Dome says, problem is I learned a bit of everything and then got lost. That's completely fine. That's not a problem at all, because you get more perspectives on how different ways you can do things. I myself, like my software engineering progress throughout my life, I didn't ever always stick to one language or one tech stack. I was always jumping back and forth because, you know, obviously I went to uni and like they would have different courses and different languages, and you know, you'd have to learn another language. But at the end of the day, the core programming ideas and theories are the same across all languages. So it's like, if you understand how things work in one language, you'll be easily able to adapt it to another one, learn the syntax, etc. Okay. Let's try run this. I have no idea how we can run a droplet off Docker, but we're about to find out. I need some water. I'm gonna get myself some water after I try this, I guess. Custom image, here we go. Add image, okay. Upload image, okay. Let's see, is this how you do it? What kind of image? Let's Google it. I'm pretty lost, let's be honest. We'll close the tabs to the right here. We'll go run Docker. It's image in DigitalOcean. Apps page, create an app. DigitalOcean container registry as a source for your code. Wait, is this an app? Oh, it's a project. Where's the apps page? Apps page. God damn it. I hope this works. The thing is, like, I still need a... I still need a OS to be running in the background. So I don't know if this app stuff will work. Look at their guide, it's blank. How cool is that? Oh, there we go. So there's these things called registries for Docker images, and I've never really done that, so I'm not really sure what it is, but I think it'll be pretty simple to set up. Let's see. Create a private container registry. Code runner. Free tier. Yo, Van Nguyen. Hello. Vietnam represent. Okay. Your container is ready. Get started. Authenticate. Docker. Skip? You could just skip? I just skipped everything. Alright, sick. Hope it's okay. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have skipped. Maybe I shouldn't have skipped. To push a Docker image to your registry. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. Probably should have done that. And this is slightly more complex than I wanted. I kind of just want to test out the actual app and leave this Docker stuff for next time. Because I know how to get it to a state where I can just test it. So let's just do that. Let's just create a droplet. Just a VM, Ubuntu VM, and then git clone the code and run that shit. Run it back turbo. I don't need a special SSD. Don't need more space. Create droplet. Okay, while that's doing that, let's get the GitHub. Yes. Okay. Almost done. How are you guys? How is everyone doing? What are we working on? Are we stuck? Do we need any advice? What are we interested about? What are we interested about in technology? Alright, how do I SSH in here again? Access, launch console, here we go. this DigitalOcean console has been way more. It's just like a way better experience for me compared to the AWS one. I feel like, what side is this on? I feel like only half of my face is seen. It is that side. Okay, we're gonna go this way. That should be better. Yo, AI Hustle Hero, welcome back. Why is this taking so long? Maybe because it's, oh, there we go. It's just booted up for the first time, so kind of makes sense. All right, git clone, let's get this code in. Yes. Permission denied. What do you mean? Try the HTTP version. I think that would work. Clear this, make it bigger. Okay, that worked. Node. Yes, this is actually one of the reasons why it's annoying. It's because you gotta install the Node stuff. And that just takes a little while. But with the Docker image, it should all be set up that once the image is hosted, all these dependencies are already installed. But yeah, we'll get to that next stream. It's just, what's this? Failed to find. Yeah, it's just running this every time. Because I'm going to be shutting down the server every time to save costs as well, so just having to do this every time is a bit annoying. Just going to get some water, I'll be back. Let's check out my typing speed while we wait. I reckon it could be 85 to 90. Oh, cracked 100, nice. All right. All right. Okay, sweet. Will it run npm install now? Yes it will. Will it run node? It will. Okay, sweet. We got the server running. And now we just have to find out what the IP is. Here we go. And we copy that into my. That is the wrong file. to my here. Here. Wait, like this? Yeah. I think this is already running. No? Yes? Yes, it is. Here. Okay. So let's give it its first task. Open and close a node session. I wonder if we can do that. So this should send request to my server. Oh no. It's speaking in English. That's no good. It's weird. Sometimes it speaks in English, sometimes it doesn't. I've had it in the prompt such that it should only speak in Linux commands. Actually, now that you mention it, I've done it to do Mac. But let's change it to do Linux. Where are the prompts? Chat window? No. Where are the prompts? Engineer. Here, you are an autonomous software engineering AI with the following objective. Oh, I still have it on Windows. I kind of want to change the prompt as well. So let's write a new prompt. This is a start go prompt. You are an expert software engineer. I'm going to do that. He doesn't need to be an AI. With the following objective. You are interfacing with Linux Ubuntu terminal. Provide only one bash command to be inputted into. Provide only one bash command to run in the terminal. Okay. There's like one more prompt here. Just leave that there for backup. You are a team with the goal. You have just ran. Wait. You are interacting with a Linux terminal. You have just ran last task, which resulted in results. Provide only one batch command. No, where the bash command to get closer to your goal and wait for a response from the terminal. Do not speak in English, only speak in bash. Do not run the same command you just ran. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna do my classic test. It seems to like kind of work with this one. Write a node file that prints hello world. I kind of want to make a debug mode that lets me. No, this is not working at all. What? No, stop. I feel like I messed something up here. like it's not running the right. Oh wait, what? How could I messed it up? I'm confused. I feel like I changed something. I'm definitely on the right branch. Let me have a look. I feel like that git reset hard I did has messed things up. No, we're good. Local changes. Yeah, that's fine. Chain. Oh. I feel like it's not using this chain.ts. You are and yeah, it's using prompts. Of course, okay. I fixed this last time, but I guess I didn't commit it to the repository, so let's just do that real quickly here. You are start goal prompt. We'll just do that. Okay, and where was the other prompt? Execute. Create task prompt. Execute task prompt. Create task prompt. Oh, this one doesn't even have a thing. Okay. Okay, now it should stop speaking in English. Oh, well. Let's run the same thing again. Write a node file to print hello world. Now it should only speak in bash commands. It didn't even do anything. Sick. Why is that so dumb? What else did I change? I can't remember. We're gonna have to debug this some more. There's like a max loops thing that I think I'll have to change as well, but where is this old tasks completed? Translation. Here. Send completed message if task.length equals 0. Is that on the first try? This.tasks. Oh. It actually... Oh, because it's trying to extract the... it's trying to JSON pass the input string, of course. Is that in here? I will find it. It'll be here. Load setting, nope, here. Yes, here. Just extract array. Extract tasks. Completed tasks. This looks different. Where is this getting called? Ooh. Extract tasks. We don't need to do that since we're doing one thing at a time here. Start goal agent extract task completion.text as string. Whereas we can just comment this out and go return completion.text as string. Yeah? I hope so. It might need to be an array. Yeah, it is. it expecting it to be a... Nope, okay, that's fine. And where was the other one? Here. Create task agent. We'll just copy, oh shit. We'll just copy that. Okay, gotta make sure to push this as well once it's done. Yo, Joe Rogan Joe, what's up? Welcome to the stream. All right. Let's try again. I might have. Oh yeah, I should have restarted it. Okay. Write and run a node file that prints hello world. Let's see. We'll actually get the bash commands now. Yes. Node. Whoa. Node file name JS where file name JS contains code to. That is not. Whoa. It's formatting the code. Hold on. That's fine. Like we can add a little hack to that. Replace all backticks with empty string. Cannot do replace all on any value. Const completion text equals completion dot text as string completion text. Okay. Let's see if that. It's not something I've had to do before, but like I guess changing the prompt actually changed it quite a bit. Console log hello world. Node E console log hello world. Nano hello JS. Ooh, this will get it stuck because it's gonna open a nano session, which would look like. Wait, where is my? Oh, my terminal is here. Running command nano hello JS. See, now it's just gonna be stuck on that. That's something I haven't really accounted for. It's just gonna be waiting for that to return, but it never will. It never will return. And I also have a suspicion that if I send another command to it, it won't do anything. So something that we have to probably get around with prompt engineering. But yeah, yo Miles, what's up? Am I back from travel? No, I'm still out here. I think I'll be traveling for at least another few weeks. I'm trying to do this digital nomad thing full time. Okay. What's another test thing we can give it? I have an idea. Let's try and make it write and run a node server that returns. We're on such opposite schedules, yeah. Well, I'm going to Europe in like about 8 days. So I think the time zones will be closer for a lot of my fans are in America. And Australia and Thailand kind of like quite far apart. but I feel like the places in Europe I'll be in will have like a bit of a smaller time difference, I think. Let's see if I can get it to run a node server that returns hello world on port 6900. Okay. I think it did it with that one command. Right? It's running it. Let's see, what was the IP? This. If I go to that 69,000, will I get a hello world? I will. Dude, that's pretty cool, right? So off one text command, I was able to run a server. No coding, nothing, just like English text command into my app, write and run a node server that returns hello world on port 6900. And it did it. The only issue with this currently is, well, there's probably more, but the most obvious one is like, if I say stop agent now, that's not going to stop the server. That's still running. And on top of that, there's like, I wanted to continually be able to, you know, extend the stuff that it's run, etc. But like currently it's stuck here. I'm gonna try get the hello world node file running maybe. What else could I do? What else could I do? I want to see if it, let's see if we can create a node project. I keep opening this. I need to just use SSH in the future, not this DigitalOcean terminal, but it's working for now, so we'll just leave it. All right, let's see. I want to try get it to create a new folder, project, everything. Let's see. Create a new node project in a folder named test puppet. Make a node file in the folder that uses puppet. Let's just say that prints hello world for now. I don't want to complicate it too much. We haven't even got it to successfully do the hello world yet. But okay, make dir test puppet and cd, and okay, so it kind of did it all with one command, which is amazing. I guess that's it. Node index.js thrown error. What was the error? I'm gonna stop it here to just wait. Hold on. Okay. CD to SD puppet touch hello.js. Okay, that's good. It's created the hello.js file. Make dir test puppet again. And then we ran into the max loops. Oh, dude, that reminds me to push this fix I did. Git diff. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's good enough. Git add, git commit, make work with latest pull, git push. Okay. Yo, we got a Japanese chat GPTer in the chat. What's happening? That's cool, man. Japanese letters are cool. Yo, Kurigami, joining the stream early again. What's happening? You gave me a like. Thanks so much, Kurigami. Good morning, GM. Good morning. Let's go. Yo, guys, I bought this snack. You want to see it? Actually, I'll show you this one first. This is savory strawberry. Let's take a break from this. Savory strawberry. Made from natural fruits. You wanna have a look? Let's have a look. Oh, this looks so weird. thought they'd be bigger pieces, but I guess they're quite small. A lot of like salt in it. Tastes pretty good. It's like strawberry, very sticky. I have some more stuff somewhere. Here. What did I bought some snacks this morning. Oh, here. These are a staple. They're pretty cheap. They're just sunflower seeds. I like snacking on these. They're pretty fun. This one, baked cuttlefish. It's a bit different. I'm gonna open these now. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells strongly of fish, as you'd suspect. And there's 2 pieces here. I'll bring it out if I can. It's like a flat piece of cuttlefish. Give it a taste test. It's okay. Oh, the aftertaste is pretty nice. If you like fish. I had crispy salmon skin chips the other day. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get back to work. Actually, I'm gonna pour some more water. I bought these big tins of water because you shouldn't drink from the tap water in Thailand. So yeah, bottled water. Okay. Oh damn, it restarted. Where did we get up to? Oh good, we can see the history here. Make dir test puppet and cd into test puppet and echo console log hello world into index.js. That's really good. And then run node index.js, but this is where we always get into a problem with node. What is this? Now I need a pee, I'll be back. Right, yo Diego, what's up? What's up? Okay, what is this, like CJS loader? I have no idea. We can actually look at the file. See, it's actually made the test puppet folder, which is excellent. Now if we less the index.js, console log hello world, perfect, that's good. But for some reason, like if I run node, I bet it'll work. Yeah, that worked. But if I run it through child process, for some reason we get whatever the freak that means. So let's Google it, I guess. See. Delete node modules, delete package lock, npm install, npm start. What? Use not yarn. npm. But what does it mean? The error in question shows up when node is called on a file that is not actually there. Update everything. There's There's like some issue with child process. I feel like I need some better thing to run. Cannot find module. That's not what mine says. Does mine say cannot find module? Oh, it does. Cannot find module. Oh, it can't even find the file. Huh. So it couldn't find the file that it just made. But the file would have definitely been there. I think it's something to do with child process. Child process, create file and run file not found. I don't know how the fuck to debug this. Should I might try using ChatGPT if I can't find a good solution. If you want to use, so if you want to exec a command, try this. Create server. Exec env contains a full. I just changed envart and number because you want to set that in exec options. What? I don't think I get that. Exec accepts a current working directory option. I think the directory is working fine. Oh, wait a sec. If I ran cd in a separate command, that could actually be the issue, see? Because like every time we run a command, we make a new child process. Oh. How do we keep it in the same thing? Node multiple commands into one child process. How do we do that? That could be the issue. Because look, if I tried to run index.js from here, what would happen? Perfect, it gives me that module not found error, which is the exact same one we got before. Okay, so that's good. That might be the reason. That might be the reason. Chain commands using spawn method here. Child spawn ls and ls and ls shell equals true. I don't want it to be chain commands in one command. I want it to be in separate things. Yeah, they're piping. Still not exactly what I want. This is kind of what I want. Keep a shell open in Node and multiple commands. If you wanted the ASIC example, exec sync. Okay, that's how the example is. Spawning an actual shell process. Okay, exec sync shell equals true. Whatever shell you want used as a path. However, the shell that is spawned by exec, sync, etc. is sort of managed by the method, not exposed directly. If you want to spawn the shell as your command, that works. Spawn shell. Spawn shell dot stood in right. Oh, sweet. Oh, excellent. Okay, this is what I want. Right? I'm gonna add this to my notes. Is there notes? Oh my god, I misspelled process. Okay. Okay, let's modify our code. Should I just do it in the terminal? Probably. Vim server. Oh, but then I can't push it. Alright, let's do it locally. Let's do it locally. Where is my... We already have the code runner here, hey. Huh, I guess this is it? Maybe? Oh, that's gross. Let's open it in VS Code. Okay, so we'll create the shell here. How did they do that? With here, spawn shell equals require spawn bin, I guess that's where it is. Is there a way to check? How to check shell location lytics. It should be just in bin. Echo shell. Right? Why does that one say bash? Should it be bin bash? Or should it be bin sh? Do they have both? Oh my god, there's a lot of shit here. A, B, C, D, E, F, L, M, N, Q, R, S. Any SH? A, B. There is no SH. Okay, we'll use bash. We'll try bash. Bash. Bin / bash. Right, that's what it said before. Bin / bash. Okay, good. Then capture stood out. Stood in right. Did I put the stood out here? I think so. Spawn shell stood out on data. Kinda wanna do something like that. And then on error, oh, they don't have it on error. Oh. Stood out. Stood in. Why don't they have that error? Stood error. Where's this? I haven't seen this syntax before. Wonder if I Google it. I guess it's the same. Okay, and instead of exec we go. Yo, Nick, grand season, let's go. Nick Humphreys in the chat, big man. Big man in the football world, isn't it? Alright, stdin.write. And rec.body.command. That's it, fam. I don't want it to exit this execute though, so it's just like it's just a bit annoying. Can you do await? I don't think so. I don't think that. This is an interesting one. This is an interesting one. I have a feeling this won't work too well. How's Phuket? Yeah, Phuket's awesome, dude. The weather is great, nice and warm all the time. Things are quite cheap. It's yeah, it's really good. I like it a lot. This Airbnb is costing me like $50 a day. It's got like a rooftop pool, air conditioned, fridge, kitchen. That's good. What's the best thing that's happened in Phuket? I don't know, it's a tough question. It's been really good overall, like a lot of great small things. There's nothing that's like, wow, that was the best. That was so the best. It's just like, it's just a good time all around. I guess that's the best. Kind of just want to try run this. Can I do it locally? I think I can. Let's try run this locally. How long am I gonna stay for? I fly to London on the 18th? 17th? The 17th. I fly to London on the 17th, and then my Euro trip begins. Do I need to npm install? I do. Okay, we're listening to port 4200. Guess we'll need a new window. Change this to point to my local host. Okay. Now let's see if I can get continuous tings in the same shell. Where's Chrome? Here. Chrome. Refresh. Create and run a node file that prints hello world inside a folder called test hello. Let's see. See you at VCon? Or, yeah, 2024. VCon 2024. I don't think I'll make 23. But I hope to see your documentation of it, Nick. What happened? Make dir and run node. Running command make dir and node. Oh, dude, it didn't get the std out on. It's a bit annoying. fix that? Can you go then? No. Ah. I wonder if I can get more info on this spawn shell. Stood out, stood in. Spawn shell dot. So we got a stood in, stood out, stood er. That's it. That's it. Fuck. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to make sure this doesn't return. How to stop node function from returning. Express app post. Yo, the unknown 252, what's up? After next, using middleware. Express wait for res.end from listener. Async. The problem is it's not even an async function. Async spawn shell write node. Is there a way to use it? Whoa. How spawn works. Right. Writer the write. Writable to web. What the hell? Node stream. Is this how we have to do it? Using node stream. Seems like it. Because then you can actually await the stream and readable stream. Seems a bit complex. I'm gonna save that to notes. Slowly burning out here, but we'll give it a bit more time before I end this. Yeah, okay, actually I think I might leave it here. So quick recap of what we did today. We looked into setting up a Docker image for DigitalOcean because the way I'm currently doing it manually on Docker, you have to install all the dependencies, packages for Linux and Node, and it just takes some time. And in the future, when this becomes a software as a service, I want it to all be automated. So we looked into doing that. I got up to the part where we add the image to a registry and stopped progressing there and just wanted to debug the actual running code in a way that I knew how to run it. So I did that, and we realized that the code that I had previously it would keep making a child process for every command, but we ran into some issues there because for instance, like, it would like send a command like change directory into here, and then it would do that and then kill the child process. So the AI would think that they've changed the directory, but in reality it's killed the process and we're starting again from the root directory. So we're trying to fix that with doing a spawned shell, which I've found how to do like this. But now the issue is we're not getting to return the standard output in time because it's not awaiting for anything. So it'll just run all these listeners and the write and then just return. And yeah. So next stream, hopefully that I continue on this, we will fix these issues and make more progress. Thanks for joining, everyone. I appreciate everyone who commented, liked, and sent gifts. And I'll see you guys next stream.